In an industry that never stands still, one thing remains certain. Technology may be the foundation, but true partnership is built together. At Brückner, we call this mindset stretching the limits. Because for us, it's more than providing machinery or delivering solutions. It's about pushing boundaries, exploring possibilities, going further than what seems today possible to shape what becomes standard tomorrow. Just take one example. In the world of polypropylene films, we're taking the next evolutionary step, moving from 10.4 to 12 meters production width, something that's never been achieved in this way before. The engineering effort behind this is extraordinary. And like in so many projects, it's driven by skill, passion, and curiosity of our colleagues. People who are stretching the limits every single day. But even the best technology reaches its full potential only through partnership. Let me give you another example. Here in our worldwide renowned technology center in Sixdorf, this philosophy comes alive. This is where we work side by side with innovators like PureCycle, advancing the future of sustainable packaging. PureCycle successfully completed large-scale BPP film trunks using their Pure 5 granules here with us. BPP film plays a crucial role in food packaging, labels, tapes, and much more, valued to its transparency and resistance to moisture chemicals. Together, we are pushing high-quality PCR materials. And this is just one of many stories. That's why we are excited to introduce a variety of customer stories, a new way to share the diversity of our collaboration across the whole PO world. From BPP to PUPA, from capacitor films to battery separate films, and of course after sales and research and development. Each story shows what becomes possible when innovators meet partnership, when challenges inspire innovations. So I invite you to dive in, discover the people, the projects, and the progress shaping the future of plastic films, stretching the limits around the globe.